Hi, welcome to another session in this course. We are going to be looking at logical operators in MySQL. These operators are so important that they will always come handy in writing your query. We are going to be looking at the AND operator and also the OR operator. We are going to see how we can combine both of them in the same query. We are also going to see the order of performance of this operator when you combine them together in the same query. Let us get at it. When we run this query, it is going to return these columns from the orders table where the date type is weekday, and it will not return those ones for the weekends. Let us run it, and then you see that everything here is weekday and there is no weekends there. This is returning based on only one condition. What if we want to go further and add another condition? And the condition is that we also want these transactions should either be done on the weekday, and these transactions are also the ones that were done in the month of December. So to do that, we add the OR logical operator. When we are using the OR logical operator, the first condition will be run and it will return outcomes, and then the second conditions will also be run, then it will return the outcomes. If we run these ones now, you will discover that outcomes are actually fewer than the ones before. Why? Because it will only return orders that were made on the weekday and those ones that were also made during the December period. What if we want to look at it from another direction? And we say what we want now are the orders that were made in the month of December, but those orders were made on the weekdays. That is, the conditions will fulfill weekday and then it will also fulfill December. In short, those transactions were done in December, but they were during the weekday. To do that, we will use the AND logical operator. It means that SQL will look at the first condition. If it is fulfilled, it will also look at the second condition if it is also fulfilled, and both of them should be fulfilled together. When we run this particular query now, you will see that we will have the weekdays and we will have December alone because these two conditions must be fulfilled. That is the AND operator. So let us run it now. When you look at this particular place, you will discover that date type is weekday alone and the month is December alone. You can see that. That is how the AND operator works. The AND operator will ensure that all the conditions are fulfilled together, whereas the OR logical operator will only go for individual conditions. As long as one of the individual conditions is fulfilled, it is going to return it. Now, let us say that we want to go further. And what we want to do is that we want to look for a particular scenario in which all of the conditions here are fulfilled. That is, this particular condition is fulfilled. And at the same time, we want to look for orders that are above 200 in value. How do we do that? Put a bracket here and then we put it here too. As long as the conditions are inside a particular bracket or parentheses, SQL is going to look and fulfill those particular conditions first. And after that, it will look for other conditions outside the bracket. If I put the OR operator here, and then we say other value above 200, what this is saying is that return everything that fulfill this particular condition here and also anything that fulfill this particular condition. If I run this now, you will discover that we have this particular outcome where we have those conditions that fulfill this one and also those conditions that also fulfill this particular one. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to like our video, hit the notification icon and subscribe to our channel. It will be made in the next one.